Knowing we have a linear function on our hands with this table means that when we graph this set of data points, it will form a line, and the value here is said to be a linear function of the time or years owned here. So one question we can ask about the graph of this is it will produce a line. So one question here in this next one is, what is the slope of a line containing these points? And again, this is kind of a review from our last activity or reading quiz, is that the slope here in general is defined to be the change in output divided by the change in input. And that's how we calculate the numerical value, which gives us a measure of steepness and direction of the slope, if you will. So here's the idea. I mean, this is the change in output over the change in input. Well, we have several of those calculated here. The slope of any line is constant no matter where you look at it. And so hopefully you're reasoning, hey, well, I got a value here after doing all these calculations of negative 1.5. Is it the same? And the answer is yes. The slope and the average rate of change, the numerical values are the same. So slope here, the steepness of the line is the negative 1.5, and the average rate of change also has that same value. So their values are one and the same, but they are different concepts, and hopefully over the next few weeks we can distinguish those for you. But again, slope here being negative 1.5. So here's what I want you to do for the next one. Graph the data here using this table and appropriate axes. So make an axis here, make an axis here, and then label each grid line in both directions being a year or $1,000 and 1 year respectively. Try it, and then we'll pick up in the next video.